Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. You may also want to have a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After the cover is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the charging port. It is usually situated near the battery and connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables that may be obstructing access to the charging port. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws or clips that may still be holding it in place. At this point, if you feel uncertain about proceeding, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue for you, ensuring you make an informed decision. Once you have clear access to the charging port, you will need to unscrew it from the motherboard. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the port. After removing the screws, gently lift the charging port out of its socket. Take care not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Before installing the new charging port, it's a good idea to clean the area. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure a good connection and prevent future issues. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the socket on the motherboard. Press it gently into place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly attached, as a loose connection can lead to charging issues. After securing the new port, reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected. Double-check that everything is in its correct position before proceeding to reassemble the laptop. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of travel. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Now replace the back cover by aligning it with the base of the laptop. Press down gently to ensure it fits snugly, and then reinsert the screws to secure it in place. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or movement. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new charging port. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.